What we have here is we will go ahead and drain the oil. We drain it out while it's nice and hot so as to get all the old oil out of the car. He's using hand tools so as to make sure to not strip the plug or cause any damage by carelessness to the vehicle. We're going to definitely treat this vehicle just like it was our own. So the oil comes out, and we're going to go ahead and drain that all out. We actually have different additives that we can add through a company called BG that will actually enhance the life of the oil, enhance the life of the car. We have a lot of different services that we can talk about. So we actually tailor a maintenance program to your vehicle and to you and to your driving needs and how you drive your vehicle and what your goals are for the vehicle. Some people, they're planning on getting rid of their car in just a few weeks. Other people are planning on keeping their car for a few years. Those maintenance plans look a little bit different. We'd be really glad for you to come in and let us show you the underneath of your car and tailor the perfect maintenance plan for you and your car.